Hello, hello, everybody. It's so good to see you guys. You know what time it is, Jim Hall. It's power hour time. Yes, it's time to rock, Bill Shoemaker. Woot, woot. Hi, Dave. Good to see you guys. Hello, my name is Amy Starr Allen. This is the Power Hour. And I'm so happy to see all of these friendly faces here. If you're just showing up, say hi in the comments so that I know you're here. Let us know where you're coming in from. If you're new, let us know how you found out about us. And yeah, so we have another awesome topic tonight. We are going to be talking about how to grow your team with replicating pages. So this is part 3 of a series that I've been doing to just kind of showcase some of the different features of the HBA Funnel Builder, which is, in my opinion, and I know a lot of people's opinion, and a lot of the people that are here tonight's opinion, this is the most amazing page builder platform on the planet. It's kind of a tongue twister, I guess. I was thinking about it today. There was a chat going on our Facebook group, and Paul had made a comment that I had replied to. I don't remember the exact conversation, but I just cannot believe what this thing can do for $25. So I've been cleaning my glasses off here. I've been doing a series for the last few weeks to just kind of go over some of the different features of this particular builder, because although some of the other builders on the market might be able to do similar things, I, number one, don't know any that do all of the things that this one does, including what I'm going to show you tonight. I don't know any that do what I'm going to show you tonight. But the other thing that's remarkable is that we only pay $25 a month for this platform. And the other ones on the marketplace range usually somewhere between like $50 a month to $300 a month for all of the capabilities that we have here, you know, to be able to build these beautiful pages and membership sites and host program, you know, your own products and checkout pages and like all the stuff that we can do here. Typically, if you were to, you know, purchase another platform to be able to do it, you'd be paying a lot more. And in a lot of cases, you wouldn't even be able to do as much as you can do here. So I feel like it's my job to let as many people know about this as possible, because, you know, the people that I do are thrilled because, you know, and I know that some of you can attest to this, because we can save people a lot of money by sharing this tool with them. It's a tool that everybody needs if you're building a business from home. And a lot of people are, you know, paying a lot more than we pay here for a lot less of the features that we have. So if you've used other platforms before, let me know in the chat how much you were paying before you came here, or if you don't, sorry, this is driving me crazy. If you don't currently own the HBA Funnel Builder, you don't have to mention names of any of the other platforms, but just let us know what you're currently paying. And then I think you're going to be blown away when I show you what this one can do. Like this feature that I'm sharing tonight, like I said, I don't know of any other platforms that can actually do this. And it's so simple. Actually, I take that back. You can do it with other platforms, but you'd have to pay somebody to create like custom code, and you'd have to be technical enough to know what to do with that code. Like we don't have to do any of that here. So that's what I mean when I say I haven't seen another platform that has this just built in so that anybody can do it easily at no extra charge. So what we're talking about, oh, by the way, if you want more information about the HBA Funnel Builder, there's a link below this video that will take you to a page where you will be able to learn more and get your very own HBA Funnel Builder platform for only $25 a month. And whoever sent you to this page will get credit for the sale. And that's what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you why this magical page can do that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that tonight. So if you're building any type of a business that requires, hold on, I just want to, all right, I'm trying to check the comments. Hi, Nevada. That's right, Bill. Everybody does need to know. I really feel like an obligation or a responsibility, I should say, to help as many people as possible by sharing this with them. Because if we don't share it with people, they're not going to know about it. And we can really help a lot of people. I've already helped a lot of people. There's so many people that are so grateful that they found the information, that I've shared. And I know a lot of you can say the same thing. You've shared it with people who are just, their lives have been changed. Their businesses have been changed. They've saved a lot of money. They've made a lot of money in their business or through the HBA affiliate program, So yes, it is, I do feel like it's my responsibility and my honor to share this tool with people. Hi, Nevada. Hi, Nate. Hi, Michael. Okay, so if you're building any kind of a team, so if you have a network marketing business, or you're an affiliate for something, or anything that involves you wanting to help other people succeed. So like if you have a network marketing business, the way that network marketing works is you get paid, you make more money when your team is successful. You recruit people and help them be successful, and by doing that, you make money, right? So it's always in network marketing. And just, disclaimer, I'm not in a network marketing company. So I don't want you to think that I'm trying to promote some network marketing company. I'm not even in network marketing. I was for many, many years, and I was a leader in a couple of different companies, and I know how team building works. And I know that one of the biggest struggles that network marketers face, especially leaders that, a lot of times what happens is, like, if you're a leader and you're a go-getter and you know what to do to make sales, in network marketing, you make more money if you help other people succeed than you do on your own effort. Typically, that's how it's set up. So the more people that you can bring in that duplicate and can have success, the more money you make. And that's how network marketing works. And one of the biggest challenges that people have in the network marketing industry is that if you're a leader, one of your challenges might be that you can't find any other leaders that are duplicating, that are that know what to do, that are have enough motivation to create the sales materials, or to do what's needed to have success, right? So what I'm going to teach you tonight is a way to help your team members succeed faster by creating an easy replicating web page or pages that like you can build it as the leader. You can build something really, really cool. And then when you bring people onto your team, you can show them how they can add their affiliate ID to a link that sends them, so that they can send people to your page that you built, and they can make sales. Okay. So this is, it's really powerful. And, a perfect example of how this works is the page that you're on right now. So this is a page that I built in a matter of a couple minutes. If you've seen any of my other trainings before, I did one a couple weeks ago where I showed how to build a video page in under 5 minutes. I mean, this page, all it is a template right out of the HBA Funnel Builder. And then I put in the right code so that Bill and Jim and Nevada, like anyone that wants to share this training tonight with their people, like with their email list or social media or whatever, can easily share the link that you see across the top of the page with their affiliate ID at the end of the link after the equal sign, and anyone that comes through their link to this training, if they click the button below this video, that button is now going to be connected to that affiliate ID that's in the link above. How cool is that? So in other words, Nevada can send out an email to her email list and say, hey, come learn how to create replicating pages for your team. And she can send people here. And then out of the people that she sends here, if any of them decide that they want to be able to build pages like this and they want to purchase the HBA Funnel Builder, they click the button below, they purchase the Funnel Builder. Nevada, it's $25, and Nevada makes a $20 commission, because the HBA stands for Home Business Academy, by the way, and the Home Business Academy pays 80% commissions. So a lot of affiliates love to share any information they can. Like I said before, I feel like it's my responsibility to share this platform with as many people as possible because it's so awesome. And a lot of affiliates feel the same way. So how cool is it that Nate can, share this information tonight with his people, because it's a replicating page and he doesn't even have to do the training, but he can make sales off of this, right? So the same goes for your network marketing company. So like if you're, you are, a leader in a network marketing company or aspiring leader in a network marketing company, and you're building a team, how cool would it be to like do a live stream like this to talk about, a topic that is related to your network marketing company, and then have a call to action where people can click the button below the video to get started, and your whole team can send people here using their ID. And it's going to look different depending on what company it is, but I'm going to show you I'm going to give you some examples and show you how this works tonight. It creates a whole new level of duplication when you do this, because you take the guesswork out of it for your new team members, and you just say, on Monday nights, we do a live stream, invite your team, put your affiliate ID at the end of the link, or your whatever it's called in your network marketing company, and your refer ID, whatever. And, just, you can actually train your people to just get in the habit of sending their prospects to a live training that happens every week, or to a video that you've already created. And I'm going to give you a bunch of examples of different types of pages you can build. But really the gist of this training, and it's really only going to take me a couple minutes to show you this because it's that easy. My goal is to really show you how to set this up, like how easy it is to actually set it up so that you can create a replicating page like this for any company at all, any business at all. Hi, Kathleen, Dan, you're welcome. Okay. All right. So anyway, once again, the HBA Funnel Builder does everything you need to build your business. It's only $25 a month. If you click the link below this video, you can learn more about this amazing platform and purchase it for 25 bucks, and you will not be disappointed. It's incredible. And tonight we're going to talk about replicating pages. So like I said, I'm going to show you how to build the page using the right, to change out the code. It's just a simple little tweak so that your button will be connected to that link at the top of the page. And then I'm also going to give you some examples of different types of pages that you can build that would work well to build as replicating pages. So I just want to start out, before I share my screen, I just want to start out by saying that, and I said this briefly before, that with this platform, you do not have to pay for custom programming or code in order to create a replicating page. And you don't have to know how to create custom code. You don't have to put any custom code on a page or any of that. Like Mike and Paul, the founders of the HBA, before, they had created this platform, they were using another like high-end platform. similar to this. They were paying a lot more for it, I think like $300 a month for it, and it didn't have this capability. So they, in order to be able to create, they wanted to have like a live stream that they could invite their team to every week. And in order to be able to create that, they had to pay somebody like a coder to create code for them. And I don't remember how much Mike said they paid, but they paid a lot of money. I mean, that kind of stuff is expensive. And then, Mike is very techie. He knows what to do with that code. It was like, a bunch of code that has to be like embedded in a page. Like you have to know how to do all of that. So again, this is just included for free, the click of a button. We get to create pages like this. And like I said, I've never before found another platform that has this built in ever. I've, set up pages like this in the past when I was in network marketing, and it was literally a technical nightmare. Like I figured out ways to do it, and I'm pretty technical, but it required like plugins and code and all this different stuff. Like I've never seen a platform that simplifies it like this and just has it built in ever. So these guys, one of the things that I really love about Business Academy and this platform, these guys, like basically what they do, and if you're in the Home Business Academy, you've seen this. Anytime they see a feature that we don't have yet that might exist somewhere else, they add it. And anytime an affiliate or, like a leader in the company or, somebody that is using the platform has a suggestion or a request, they honor it, if at all possible. So this thing is constantly being updated and they're constantly adding new features to it. And like I was saying before, like for this price, I have never seen anything for this price, let alone with all of the stuff that this thing can do. So again, I've never even seen one that can do what I'm going to teach you tonight. And the cool thing about this is your team, you're going to be able to build a really like epic page for your whole team to use, and your team doesn't have to edit anything. They don't have to build anything. All they have to do is put their affiliate ID or referrer ID at the end of a link, and they can use your page and make sales. How cool is that? Let me know in the comments if you think that's awesome. And here's the thing. Even if you're not in a network marketing company, like I'm not in a network marketing company, but I think this is amazing because I can change the game for people that are in the network marketing company. I can help so many people who are struggling in the network marketing industry to build teams because they don't have this capability, and I can share this platform with them. And for $25 a month, they can have this tool. Like how cool is that, that I can like help people at that level? And I can build replicating pages like this one that I built that you're watching this training on right now, so that I can help other people in our academy make sales as well. And this is not even a multi-level thing. Like this is straight affiliate marketing. So when Jim makes a sale or Dave makes a sale or Bill makes a sale, like I don't make a commission off of that. It's not like network marketing where when someone on my team makes a sale, I get a cut. It's not even like that. This is just a way to make a difference for other people, because we all help each other in the Home Business Academy. And it's great to be able to leverage, somebody else's training and make sales, and everybody benefits, right? So I love this, even though I'm not in a network marketing company. And, like I said, and if you are in a network marketing company, here's the thing too, like you, not only will this feature help you build replicating pages that will really help your team and help build your team, but when you're personally prospecting people that are in the network marketing industry, a lot of times what happens is you'll be prospecting people that are already in another company and they're not interested in joining you in your company. And if that's the case, you can say, hey, awesome, but let me tell you about this platform that I use for $25 a month. You can do all, all this stuff, including creating amazing replicating pages. If you want, check out my replicating page that I built that my whole team uses to make sales, and we do our live streams on it and blah, blah, blah. And you can show them what you've done with it. And then even though they're in another company, they can purchase the HBA Funnel Builder through your link, and you can make a difference for them and make 80% commissions for doing that. So even though they didn't join your network marketing company, you're still building a stream of residual income by referring people to this tool. Mike Hobbs calls this tool a residual income enhancer because if you're already creating residual income in another place, in network marketing or your own business or whatever, this is a tool that you can still tell people about and help people with. All right. So, all right. So I think what I will do first is show you how easy it is to set this up. And then I'll give you some ideas about different types of pages that you can build. Let me just check the comments once more time before I share my screen. It just gets gooder and gooder, Bill says. Hi, Gail from Chicago. It's so cool. I love it. Bill, Jim says, I know. Like, it blows my mind like every day. And I know like I'm always ranting and raving about it in our Facebook group, or like, you know, just, I mean, I always say it's unreal. Like I'm always like, it's unreal what this thing can do. For 25 bucks a month, it's unreal what this thing can do. This thing is like, it propels our businesses. It's like the engine of any business. And for this price, like I said, it's incredible, but we also get this amazing community and a lot of features that you just can't get anywhere else. So yeah. All right, cool. Let's get into it, shall we? So let me share my screen. Whoops. Hold on one sec. All right. Can you guys see my screen? All right. So, yep. What I did here was I duplicated the page that you're watching this training on. I duplicated it so that I could mess around with it and show you guys how I set this page up and how easy this is. Okay. So I took a template out of the funnel builder. And I'll give you a full example using a template in a second, but I'll just show you real quick, like the kind of templates we have. Like if you come to add new step page, there's all these templates. And for a page like this with a video on it, I usually come to the webinar templates, and there's all these different templates that have videos on them. And you can just, you can preview them and see, find one that you like or whatever, and then you can select it and then you can customize it. And all of this is customizable. I did a whole training on this last week, how you can use your color scheme, how you can even come up with a new color scheme if you don't have one or whatever, so that all your colors are already built into your templates and everything like that. But it's really easy to go in and change the background image, change your overlay color, change what it says, add or remove a countdown timer, whatever you want to do. It's super easy to customize these pages. And I'll build one from scratch in a second, but for now, what I'm going to do is I am going to just use the page that you're watching this on looks like this. I mean, it might look a little different right now because I always take the countdown timer off once we start, where, the page we're streaming live on right now doesn't have the countdown timer or whatever, but this is basically what it looks like. And then each week I come in and I change the title and we do a live stream on here. And all this is I'm on Zoom streaming live on YouTube, and I've got the YouTube embedded on this page. So you can do this for anything. You can stream live on these pages. You can stream live from Facebook and embed it on one of these pages or whatever you want. And I'll go into some examples, like I said, of different types of things that you can do with these replicating pages. But for now, I just want to show you how to set up the code. So under the video, like if you look below the video right now on the page you're on, you'll see a button, right? That says, yes, show me more. And if you click on that button, what will happen is you'll be taken to a page that will give you an overview of the HBA Funnel Builder. And at the end of the link on that page, you will notice a string of numbers and letters. And that is the affiliate token from whoever sent you to this page. So basically what happens is when you're on that page looking at the overview of the funnel builder, if you decide to buy it, that person is going to make a commission. And so that's how that works. So let me show you why it does that, like how cool this is. So when we set up the page, there's a button. And I mean, this is for any page. And if you want to make it replicating, all you do is what I'm about to show you. But like normally, if this was a page that you were just using for yourself and not for a team, when you come to the link here, you would just have you would have the URL go to wherever you want it to go for you to make a sale, right? But since this is a replicating page and we want our whole team to be able to use it, what we're going to do is right here at the end of this link. So this is the link that goes to the Funnel Builder sales page. But rather than having my own affiliate ID in here, all I did was I put this code in here, param ID, instead of my ID. Okay. And so what this does is it basically takes everything after the ID. What is it? Let me look real quick. Yeah. So here's the page when I'm looking at it in my browser. See how it says ? ID equals, and it has, this is my affiliate token. So this param ID in brackets, what this does is it tells, it communicates with the link at the top of the page, and it takes everything after ? ID equals, and that's what it puts into the link in the button. Does that make sense? So whoever sends anybody to this page, hold on, I have this Google Doc. All right, so when I am telling people to share this page, whoops, it's way too big. Sorry. Okay. So when I'm telling people to share this page, I'm just giving them this link. I'm saying, this is my live stream page, and it says ? ID equals, and then there's nothing after that. And all I do is I say, Jim, when you send people to this page, put your affiliate ID at the end after the equal sign. Bill, when you send people to this page, put your affiliate ID at the end of this equal sign. And so they all each put their affiliate ID on the end of the link that they're sharing with their email list or on social media or whatever, so that when someone comes to the page, it would have their affiliate ID on here. And now, because I have that little param ID in this button, what it does is it knows when someone clicks on this button. See, when I click on it, it goes and it still has my affiliate ID. Well, if Jim's affiliate ID was here, this would have Jim's affiliate ID on it. And then when someone clicks here to purchase the funnel builder, Jim will get credit for the sale. So that's all we have to do, is add this little code to the URL instead of our own affiliate ID. And now it's a replicating page. And after the ? ID equals in the link, anybody can share the page that has an affiliate ID for whatever, or a referrer ID for the network marketing company or the affiliate program, and they can get credit for the sale. So let me show you. That's a little too big. I'm trying to make it easy to read, but not like confusingly big. It's less confusing if it's all on one line. So I don't know if you guys can see this well, but so normally if I was just doing a page for my own benefit and it wasn't for my team, the link that I would use looks like this. And at the end, you know, it's homebusinessacademy.net/referral/funnel builder/my ID. And instead, I'm just putting in this link, which it's the same exact link up until right here. After the slash, I've got my ID here, and here I've got the brackets with the param ID. That's the only difference. Okay. And that way, now it's a replicating page that anybody can use when they put their ID at the end of the link. So whatever is unique for your team members. So in this case, what's unique is the affiliate ID at the end of the link. Sometimes it's going to be like a username instead of a bunch of numbers or whatever. It might actually be a name. I'll show you that in a second. But whatever is the unique variable in, you know, whether it's a network marketing company or an affiliate program, there's always going to be a link that's going to have a unique variable for each affiliate or for each member of the network marketing company. And the link, the unique variable is usually either a string of numbers and letters like this, or some type of a username that you create yourself or whatever. But there's always a unique variable that makes that link credit you when you make a sale, right? So that unique variable is what is going to be replaced with where it says param ID in the button. All right. So that's how easy it is to set that up. I want to, I'm going to move on, but I want to just make sure I haven't lost anybody. So I'm going to just check the comments here real quick. Never mind, you think of everything. You might need to show the links in Word, pretty hard to see on phone. Hi, Betsy. Yeah, I'm trying, Jim. I mean, I wanted to make it bigger, but when I make it bigger, the links become like, they go on to separate lines and then it just becomes confusing. But, all right. So, all right, before I move on, let me, whoops. Let me give you some different examples of things you can do. So the page that you're on right now is a live stream, right? And you can do this for whatever business you're building. Like if you're in a network marketing company, you could do a live stream every week that your whole team can invite people to and have a call to action in the live stream telling people click the button below to get started. And everybody can use their, you know, your whole team can invite people. And it's a really cool way to build. I've built in network marketing like this before. When your team gets used to inviting people to a meeting that happens every week, it just becomes like part of their weekly routine and it'll build over time. And it really just gives your team a built-in thing that they can leverage without them having to do the training. Like if they know like Jim is their sponsor in their network marketing company and they know that every week Jim does like an awesome training where he like goes over one of the products in the network marketing company in detail. And then there's always a button underneath where they can purchase that product or where they can, you know, if Jim's doing, maybe Jim's doing a training one week about the compensation plan for people that are looking at it as a business opportunity. And there's a button underneath that people can click to get started in the business. And no matter what, you know, his team can invite people to this live stream and they can make sales. They can make product sales. They can sign up new members, whatever Jim happens to be training on that night. And they don't have to do anything except invite people to the page and put their ID in. Jim does everything else. Jim builds the page and Jim does the training. All his team members have to do is send people to the page every week. How awesome is that? It just makes it so much easier to build. especially for new people that don't even know how to build a page and they don't know how to do a training, or they don't feel comfortable doing a training yet or anything like that. So that's one idea, a live stream like this one. Again, weekly. It doesn't have to be weekly. It can be like here and there when you feel like it. But when you do it weekly, it's, especially if you're, building a team and you want your team to get in the habit of, leveraging your training. If you do it weekly, it gives them, a habitual thing, it gives them something that they know is happening every week. And when they're prospecting, like say they're talking to someone on Tuesday and they know every Thursday that there's a live training. If they're talking to a prospect in Facebook Messenger or whatever, they can, no matter what day of the week it is, every week they can say, I want to invite you to we do a live training every week. Come hang out with us on Thursday night at such and such a time. And then they invite their prospects to the page where Jim, their sponsor, is doing a training, and they make sales. How awesome is that? I mean, yeah, it's awesome. The other thing that you can do with a page like this is you can use a replay of an epic training that you've already done. So rather than doing a live training, you can just repurpose a training that you've done in the past. So, I mean, this page does that too, because what happens is when this training ends tonight, this replay will stay on this page for an entire week until I go live again next week. So for an entire week, I can leverage this page. Anyone in the Home Business Academy can use this page to send people to. If anyone knows anyone, last week I did a training on customizing your fonts and colors inside of this builder or whatever. So if anybody knows people after they've seen the training, if they're like, wow, I know a couple of other people that would really like this training, that could really benefit from this, you can send people to the training for an entire week, and the people that they send can purchase the funnel builder and they can make sales for an entire week. So, so you can use a replay, and you can create a page that has a replay on it that just stays on it, that doesn't go away in a week. If it's like something really, you decide like this was such a powerful training, and I want to use this as my new sales video, and I want to give my team access to this page so that they can also send people here because this training was so powerful. And then you just, put that code in the button so that everybody can use it. You can do like a Zoom meeting. So this, what you're watching right now, is I'm on Zoom streaming through YouTube, but you could do a Zoom meeting even if you have like a bunch of people. You know how like when a bunch of people are on Zoom together and you can see everybody? You can do that, stream it through YouTube, embed it on a page like this, and use that as a way, as a sales tool as well. Like in the same way that I described before, you can, tell your people, every Monday night, invite people to come to our live training. And it can be a live training where there's multiple people talking and they get a better sense of the community. And then under the training, you have a button that takes people to wherever you want to take them to. So it could be a Zoom like that as well, where it's a more of an interactive Zoom. You could create a page like this with just a video. It could be a video that you create. Like, let's again say you're a leader in the company and you create like a really good like overview or a presentation that can be used to for prospecting, like to, a page that, everybody on your team can send people to, where they can get an overview of the company or the compensation plan or whatever. And it's just a video, that you create that's like an edited, professional, looking video that is just really good sales material. And you put that on a page and your whole team can use that. You can do, you could have a page of testimonials. So you could collect testimonials, video testimonials, text testimonials, whatever, put them all on a page for your network marketing company or whatever. And then again, make it a replicating page so that that's another tool that people have that they can send people to see the different success stories. Like, you know, if you're in like health and wellness and you're talking to somebody that has diabetes, you can say, you know, go over, I'm going to give you a link to our testimonials page, and you can see there's a bunch of testimonials on there from people with diabetes and the different results that they've gotten. You can send people over to this page that has all these testimonials. Like your team members can send people to a page that you built that has all the testimonials on there, and using their link, they then, you know, there can be buttons on there where people can purchase the products that help with the diabetes or whatever. And if you're the leader that's building the page, you can, like, you know, tell your team, anytime you get a testimonial, send it to me and I'll put it up on the page. And then over time, you can just have a page with all these testimonials that the whole team can leverage. So that's another idea. You can use like a company video. You can take a company video. Most network marketing companies have like a YouTube channel where they have like really good videos, like trailers for their different products or whatever, and they're up on YouTube. But you don't want to send people to YouTube because there's no way for them to like buy something off of YouTube and be connected to the right person. So you could take one of those YouTube videos, embed it on a page like this, and by the way, all you do, let me show you that real quick. So like this video, if I click on it and say edit video, right here where it says video source, all I would do if I wanted to swap out this video is just take the link off of YouTube and put it in here, and it would change out the video. So, I mean, you can put in any video that you want, like a company video or anything. And, you know, and you could have like, you can have as much stuff as you want on the page. It doesn't have to just be a video with a button. You could have like, you know, a company overview, and underneath it, you could have a compensation plan video. And underneath that, you could have a bunch of testimonials. You could have information about the company. You can have whatever you want on the page. I mean, these pages, you can add whatever you want, wherever you want. Like you know, that we have all these like widgets that you know, you can add headings and text and containers and images, and, you know, you can add whatever you want and build out the page however you want, and just make like a really awesome page. And then make sure all the buttons have that code in it, so that your team can use the page that you build, and then they don't have to build one of their own because they can use yours. I know I've said this already, but a comp plan video, you know, a lot of times the compensation plan, when in network marketing company, a lot of times what people want to know is, how do I make money? So you could have, whether it's a compensation plan video that was done by the company, or maybe you create your own, that's like a really good breakdown of the comp plan, and you put it up on a page, and then again, you make it into a replicating page so your whole team can use that page. You could have a page that's like meet the team, where you could have like video footage from some of your events that you've been at, or breakout sessions that you've had with your team, or you could have like bios or success stories from different people on your team, or whatever. Like you could have a whole team page, again, that has a button or buttons on it that are that have that code in it, so that, you know, your team can leverage a page like that. And then, you know, like I said, you can put as many elements on a page as you want. So you can use any combination of the stuff that, you know, all of the examples that I gave you, you can use any combination of these things and put them all on one page. However, you know, you could have an overview and testimonials, meet the team, you know, you can just create like an epic sales page and have the replicating the code in the buttons so that the page is replicating, and then your team can you know, share this page really easily and make sales from it. All right, so I'm going to give you a couple more examples. Let me just make sure that I don't have any new questions. Yeah, so Jim said we did ours last week with 5 of us live. So yeah, so Jim he has a replicating page just like this one that he does training on every week. And yeah, he had five leaders on last week having a conversation about, he was talking about the 30-minute workday, and then it had a link underneath for people to get started with the 30-minute workday. And he had that code in the link so that anybody that shared that page that's in the 30-minute workday could have that button be connected to them. And they could share the page where they could come listen to 5 leaders having a conversation and teaching. And it was awesome. I was on there for a little bit. I always know I have an email swipe for Wednesday and some valuable content. It's awesome. Yeah. So he's talking about this training. Like if you have a team in network marketing and they know that every Wednesday you're going to do a live training where you're going to train on a specific product that the company has, or you're going to train on the business opportunity or whatever. And they just know that every Wednesday, I create an email every week that the whole company gets that they can use if they want to send it out to their people. And all they have to do is add their affiliate ID to the link that I have in the email, and they're good to go. So you could do that. You could even write the email for your team and give it to them every week. And then all they have to do is send it out and send people, or, the other thing, it doesn't have to be an email. They can post it on social media. They can do whatever they want. But you can write the copy even for your team so that they know what you're going to be training on, and just make it really, really, really easy for them so that it's like a no-brainer. All you have to do is copy and paste an email, send it out to their list, send their list to a training, and make sales. Any link doesn't need to specially be a button. Not really sure what that means. Okay. All right. So let me give you a couple more goodies here. So what I wanted to show you was, okay, so again, I'm not in a network marketing company, but I've been in several in my life. I was a Beachbody rep a while back, and Beachbody has this page that has Coach Link Generator. And they basically have a sales page for every product that they have, every challenge pack. Like, these are all sales pages. And basically this page was created so that somebody could put their ID in here. Like if my ID was like 555666, what it would do, see where in the yellow, where all these are yellow and it says your ID. If I click submit, see how it automatically puts my ID in here, so that now all of these pages. So if I'm talking to somebody that wants to know more about a specific product, I can put my ID here on this page, and then I can just take the link and send it to the person. And now I will make the sale if that person decides to buy it. Well, we can do the same thing with this for these replicating pages. So I grabbed one of these off of here earlier. I just randomly selected one. I mean, there's so many. I still do these workouts, and there's so many good workouts. And what happens with Beachbody is, like, they roll out new workouts all the time, and they do like promotions, right? Because there's a new workout coming out and it's really exciting. So what if you were a Beachbody rep and there was a new workout coming out, and you decided to take some of Beachbody's videos off of their YouTube channel and put them on a page, and make the button so that everyone on your team can send people there and change out their affiliate ID in the link and sell that new workout or sell a product or whatever. And, another thing you could do is like make your own video in addition to all of that, or do like a live stream on that same page so that you're talking about the excitement of it, and you could have some of your team members jump on and share about why they love Beachbody and all the success they're having. And then you could have like a trailer for the new workout that's coming out, and a button, you know what I mean? So like, so let me show you, just to use this as an example. Let me see what I did here. All right. So I grabbed from this link generator, I grabbed like a core de force link. of some sort, like this challenge pack or something. And what it does is it takes me to this page. You know, now this is showing my affiliate ID, but before it just said your ID. So see up here where it says your ID, that would be where the affiliate link would go on this page. So if I was going to, you know, build, let's say I want to build a page, and I'll just build a page from scratch inside of the funnel builder where, I'll just do this real quick and show you. Add new step, page. Again, I'm going to find like a cool video page. All right, let's say I want to select this one, and I'll say Cours de Force demo. Okay, so let's say like Cours de Force is going to be coming out, and they just put a really cool trailer on the YouTube channel, and I want to put that on a page that my whole team can use. And then we're also going to go live on this page, and we're going to just do a huge promotion to sell as many of these as possible, right? So, so here I looked on YouTube for Cours de Force. Here's a trailer for Cours de Force, right? So if I click on it, all I have to do is grab the link from YouTube, and then here, edit video. All I'm going to do is put it in here. I'm going to get rid of this custom thumbnail, and boom, there's a Cours de Force trailer on the page. So now I just want to take the this link that goes to the performance pack that we're gonna sell on this page, right? I'm gonna put that where this button is. I'm gonna edit this link, and I want to go to an external link. I always want to have it go into a new tab, because we don't want to take people, if we're doing a live stream or whatever, we don't want to take people off the page to go purchase. So I always have it go into a new tab, and then the URL, you would just paste that in, and where it says your ID, that's where you're going to put the bracket. You're going to take the, where is it? The brackets with the param.id. Put that in there. So now what it's going to do is it's going to take the ID off the link in the address bar for this button. And all right, so this isn't the best example because I made the name of the page really long and whatever, but I'll show you how this works. So if I go save changes, this is, I don't know, it does this weird thing for the preview, but if I go $ID equals. So this is the page, and this is the link that I'm going to give my team, right? It's going to be my domain /Cours de Force demo $ID equals. And this is where like I would put in my 555666 or what, you know, my ID number or whatever. And then what'll happen is when someone clicks on this button, do you see in the bottom of the screen where you can see the 555666 at the end of the link? When you hover over the button, that pops up there. Or if I click on the button, you'll see it adds it on the sales page. So now if someone comes here and buys this for $160, it's got my ID in it, and I'm going to make the commission from Beachbody. And so basically this is now a page that your whole team can share. All they have to do is put their ID in here, and they can send people to this page. And then you can have your live stream on this page, you know, and then have the trailer underneath it, or, you know, whatever you want to do. You can have like some awesome promo, and then, you know, just have your whole team just excited about it, sharing this page, and they can all just send people with their link at the end of the page, so that anybody that clicks the button gets, you know, they get credit for the sale. So that's an example of one way you can use it. I thought I had another, maybe I didn't. I was going to show you guys another thing, but I I must have deleted it, and hold on. Yeah, I don't know. I must have deleted it, but I was going to show you, like, you know, you could do the same thing with Beachbody. Like, if you want to share the Beachbody sales page that has like the business opportunity on it or whatever, like it would be the link to the page, and it would have like your username. Like my username was my name, like Amy would say Amy Starr Allen. So like instead of a number, it would have a name at the end. So if that was the case, then you know, it's still going to say param ID, but like in the link, instead of having a number here, it would say like my name. And then I could have like on this page, I could have all kinds of information. Like I could have a video of me explaining why I love being a Beachbody coach, all the people that I've helped. I could have testimonials from the people that I've helped. I could have testimonials from the other coaches that I've sponsored, that have made money. And then this button could go to the Beachbody opportunity page or whatever. And I could, whoever sent people to this page to learn about the opportunity would get credit for the coaches that they signed up through this page. So this goes for any network marketing company. You can just, I mean, there's really no limit to the ideas of different cool pages that you can build. And the whole point is so that you can create something that's works well, that your whole team can use, and have that button set up so that other people can make sales when they send people here. So that is, let me make sure I didn't forget anything, but I think that's pretty much everything. Yeah. See if you guys have any questions. And I'm guessing there are no new. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll check one more. Okay, I don't see any new ones. So well, let me know in the comments if that all made sense. This replay is going to stay up on this page for a week. So I know I went fast, and maybe, you know, you didn't catch exactly where to put the param ID and how that works or whatever. You can go back and rewatch it. But basically, all you need to know is like when you give out, oh, here's that other Beachbody page that I was telling you about. So let me show you this. So see how this has like my name at the end of it? And this takes people to like this whole page that goes into everything that Beachbody has. So anybody that's a coach for Beachbody can, you know, would have their name in here, and they, you know, they would get credit for anything. So again, you could take this link, put it in here, and in where my name is, I would do that bracket. Hopefully I put it in right. And so like if I'm sending people here, I would put my name. And then do you see when I hover over the button, it shows my name at the bottom. So if someone clicks on this, it's going to it takes them to this page, and it has my name there. So I'm going to get credit for whatever they do. So anyway, do you see how fast that was? It's so easy to do. It's amazing. So in any case, like I said, you can go back and watch the replay if I went too fast, And you can also, like I said, you can share this replay for a week. It'll be up on this page, so you can share it with people as well. You know, if you were somebody that's an HBA affiliate and you know some network marketers that could really benefit from being able to build these replicating sites, share this replay with them, you know, because again, there's a button below this video where they can purchase the funnel builder, and then, you know, you can help them. They can have this tool to help them build their network marketing company. And it's a godsend. It really is. I truly believe that about this tool. I can't get over all the stuff that it does. All right, let me stop sharing my screen. And I'll check one more time to see if you guys have any questions or comments. And then I'll let you go. Nope, I don't see any new ones. All right, guys. Well, thank you for being here tonight. Again, I highly recommend clicking the button below and taking the HBA Funnel Builder for a test drive. It's so amazing what it can do. And if you want to learn about some of the other features, it comes with, I meant to show you this. Let me share my screen really quick one more time. So this funnel builder comes with, it's called the Funnel Builder Academy, and it teaches you each of these blocks over here has a drop-down menu. So it shows you how to set this up. And there's a whole training in here under Funnel Builder training. See where it says replicating pages for your team? That's this training right here. So when you click on replicating pages for your team, it takes you to this page, and it's like a breakdown. Mike is really, really, really good teacher, and he even has timestamps in here that show you exactly how to set up this page like I taught tonight. But you get access to this whole Funnel Builders Academy. So it's going to show you like 3 simple steps to building any business online, how to set up your affiliate account if you want to be an affiliate and earn 80% commissions. It shows you how to do that. You can literally start earning commissions today. Like, so if you purchase the Funnel Builder and want to share this with others while this replay is up, you can become an affiliate, swap out your code in that link, share it for the next week, and make some sales. And then it teaches you like how to pick the best domain name. And then like in the Funnel Builder training, it shows you all the stuff, like how to make exit pop-ups, how to sell your own products with this platform, how to create membership sites with this platform, replicating pages like I just showed you. You can allow people to book appointments with you using this platform. I mean, it does everything for 25 bucks. It's amazing. And then we have like bonus video modules in here. How to track your leads, how to put a phone field in, how to do split testing, how to create surveys in here. Like, you don't even need to purchase a survey platform. Like, I know some of them are free, but with this one, you can do all the stuff that you can't do with the free ones unless you upgrade to their premium memberships. For the survey platforms, you can do it all in here for the same 25 bucks that you're paying for all of this. I mean, there's just so much that you can do in here. So this Funnel Builders Academy comes free with the platform. So it'll help you set everything up, and you'll learn, all kinds of other stuff besides what I taught you tonight. So, anyway, I hope this has been helpful. And, I love you guys. Again, check out the Funnel Builder. There's a link below this video, and this replay will stay up for a week. So if you want to watch it again or share it with anybody, go ahead and do that. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Talk to you soon. Bye.